to my channel. So on today's video, I'm going to prepare an oatmeal pancake. Okay, so stay with me until the end as I'm going to share with you this quick and healthy recipe. I guarantee you it's only going to take 5 minutes of our time. So, it's New Year, new goals. This year we're eating healthy, we're doing healthy habits. So, without further ado, let's get into it. So, first of all, I'm going to get my ingredients right here. I prepared them ahead of time so that I won't hustle. And we're also going to need a blender to mix all the ingredients. So I'm just going to put it here. So, yeah, good people, we're eating healthy this year. We are eating healthy to have that healthy skin, you know, boost that energy and keep that body looking good. So this is the blending bottle that I'm going to use. So first of all, you're gonna need your jungle oats. I either have this one or the traditional one. Just a cup is enough for this recipe. Ooh, it's hustle getting these things in here. Oh, look at the mess I'm making. But we'll cope, okay? We're done with this. So after that, we're gonna have pure water and we're just gonna need half a cup of it. So this is my half a cup. We're gonna put it in there. Perfect. And we're gonna need half a cup of milk. Half a cup of milk. This is my half a cup of milk. I'm just gonna put it in there as well. Put in some vanilla essence. Two eggs to blend everything all together. Here's another egg. You see, I use a flat surface so that the shell won't get inside the egg and it's hard for me to remove it. So I think I'm going to need a spoon to get some butter. So for the butter, we're just going to have 2 tablespoons. This is how much I have. So I'm going to put it in here. No. And I'm just going to melt it in the microwave. Heat in the microwave. And then a little bit of cinnamon to taste is what we need. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Or you can even make them 3 if you love sweet things like me. You know, when it comes to sweet things, I don't have a limit myself. So I'm just going to need this to plug the microwave so that I can get to melt that butter. So as it's getting ready, I'm just going to remove this mess from here. And get ready to cook this. It even busted. It busted. So this is our butter. Just going to put it in like that. And I put this aside as well. So it's time for us to blend everything together. This is the adapter. Just plug in my blender. This is it, guys. I don't know if anybody's keeping the timer, but if somebody is, you see that it only takes like less than 5 minutes. Less than 5 minutes to prepare this. What's going on? What's going on? Can I put it this way? Yes, like that. So our flour is ready. We're gonna put this aside as well. And get to the toast maker. That's what we're going to use. So let's do this quickest. Let's give it like maybe 30 seconds to warm up. Let it be a little bit warm. Hi, anybody there? So tell me what you think about the recipe. Are you going to try it? What do you think? This is our mixture, and generously going to pour it in here. In here.
Hey, hi.
Stand ke sa TV. Fela bane ba sisitse gae. Kena. Batho ba bona ba fana ka notice se di ela.
Hey, ready to go away. Ready to go away. It is no more. Definitely. Definitely. 57 36 81 39. Cuma tadi sawo je ko kwa. Ah.
Yeah, my toast is ready. Eh? Connection.
Otro no tiene skin. ¿Qué vas a sacar la caja de niña? ¿Sabes esa de niña? No,